Hi, and welcome to mypixel, your online advertising companion. In our last recording, we took you through the steps to create your account. In this session, we're going to go through the steps that you need to go through to create your first campaign. As you'll see, we have 5 steps that we need to go through. Step 1, create the campaign. Step 2, add the creative. Step 3, your billing information. Step 4, your credit card information. And Step 5, your audience selection. Let's start with Step 1, create your first campaign. The information that we need to capture here are the details of the campaign that you're going to run. In this case, we're going to stick with my first campaign. The next question we need to answer is, when do we want this campaign to end? By default, it selects indefinite. That means it will keep running until you decide to manually stop it. Alternatively, you can click on pick a date. When you do so, a calendar will appear where you can select the end date for your campaign. In this case, I want to select indefinite. Our last question we need to answer is our daily budget. This is the maximum amount we want to spend on our campaign. I'm going to start easy this time with $5 a day. Once you've completed this information, you click on Next. Step 2 is creatives. When you first set up your account with mypixel, our team want to help you through that process. And so with every new account, we'll give you a set of free creatives for your first campaign. First of all, we need to capture some information. Step 1 is the website URL. This is the destination website address that you want people to go to when they click on your campaign. Next is the call to action. This is the message for the button that we'll have on the ad itself. Then you select the language of the campaign. Then we select the logo. Our team will need this to help us through the process to create your campaign. And then we've given you a free-form text field where you can add any additional information about your campaign. Maybe you want to tell us that you're advertising a new product, or that you have a launch of a new event. Then click on Next. Step 3 is billing. This is the billing information for your campaign, usually your company address. Click on Save. Step 4 is your credit card information. In here, populate the details from the credit card that you wish to use for your campaigns. Make sure all the details match so that the campaign works correctly. And finally, Step 5. And this is one of the most important steps you'll need to carry out. This is adding the pixel to your website. The reason why we add this code to your website is so we can collect and segment the users for retargeting campaigns. This script needs to be added into the HTML that's on your website. Maybe you can do this yourself. If not, please speak to your webmaster who will help set it up for you. It should take them only a few seconds to add the code. And you only need to do this once. So once it's completed this time, you won't need to do it again. You can now click Got It. If you need to return to find this code again, select Audience from the top navigation menu. That's it. Your first campaign is now set up.